Go to the game folder. Open the data folder. Click View. Go to Show Hide. And make sure that File Extensions option is activated by searching if it has a confirmation check next to it, just like this. If it isn't activated, click it. Now right-click anywhere in the folder, go to New, and select Text Document. Press Enter and open the document. Click File, click Save As. In Save As type, select it, choose All Files, and change the name to systeminformation.xml. Save it. Close this window. Check if you have the new file. And delete the file called New Text Document. If you want, you can also now disable Showing File Extensions. Jade Empire has a configuration utility that starts for the first time when you launch the game. Due to being an old game, sometimes this configuration utility fails. By creating the system information file, we can help the configuration utility work as intended and help you launch the game. Like and subscribe to support my work, and thank you for watching.